I'm sure now is the time of intervention, international intervention to stop killing people in Syria, killing civilians. We're not against any kind of civilian diplomat ways or diplomat solution, but we are not trust Bashar al-Assad to apply this kind of solution. We are in the position, we tried to going with many solutions like what Kofi Annan's plan and now Al-Akhdar al-Ibrahimi, but really Bashar al-Assad is still killing people. So how can you make any kind of dialogue or negotiation or conversation with someone killing your family? They should stop killing people, then we can discuss about the negotiation or any kind of conversation. In my opinion, now is the time intervention. We need immediately, right now, intervention in Syria. It should be also military intervention because there is no way to stop killing people in Syria. If there is any kind of cover, civil cover or kind of cover for rebels that they can go into inside Syria, make military operations and back to this area which is covered by, for example, non-fly zone from Turkey or America or NATO. I don't know who can do that. And in our opinion, as Syrian opposition, that north of Syria is really liberated. Now it's out of control. Bashar al-Assad is controlled by a Free Syrian Army. Also in east of Syria and the same in south. In the other side, the safety or the security corridors, it will be okay. But now we should, first of all, before everything, you should to make this to protect.